Right now, the first doses of the new Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine are on the way to Colorado. The FDA gave the green light over the weekend. The White House says the entire stockpile is now being sent to states. Colorado is expecting about 45,000 doses of this vaccine every week. 9 News reporter Jordan Chavez joins us live from the State Department of Public Health. And Jordan, leaders hope this could speed up vaccinations across the state.
Yeah, that is certainly the expectation now that we are adding this third vaccine into the mix. And those 45,000 doses will be added to the already more than 200,000 shots from Pfizer and Moderna combined. Now, because of this, vaccinations are expected to increase somewhere between 70 and 80% every week. A panel of CDC advisors and the CDC director himself gave the final green lights over the weekend after the FDA granted emergency use authorization on Saturday. Now, it only needs one shot to work, and it can stay in a normal refrigerator, which will make distribution much simpler. Clinical trials showed it to be 72% effective compared to roughly 95% efficacy with Pfizer and Moderna. But in a video on Twitter, Dr. Anthony Fauci says despite those numbers, this vaccine does in fact work.
72% effective in preventing you from getting moderate to severe disease, but virtually 100% protective against hospitalizations and death, as proven by this trial that was done.
Now, by the end of March, more than half of the state's population could be eligible to get the vaccine. At this time, the state is taking the supply boost as a sign that it's time to let more people in line. So starting Friday, people 60 and older will be eligible for the vaccine, along with people who have at least 2 high-risk conditions, plus grocery and agriculture workers. And then depending on supply and how fast those groups get vaccinated, the state says we could move on to the new phase 1B4 by March 21st. That includes about 2.5 million people. So anyone 50 plus, people with one high risk condition, and then essential workers in about half a dozen different fields. Now, this was a lot of different information we just covered in the past minute and a half. So for anybody that would like to comb over it maybe one more time, we do have it in this article on 9news.com. Back to you.
All right, Jordan, thank you.